The Trump-Carroll lawsuit is moving towards its final leg. Both parties have presented their final arguments. The case was filed by writer Eugene Carroll, who accused former President Donald Trump of raping her between 1995 and 96.
Now, Donald Trump did not show up to the trial on Monday. A lawyer from Carroll's side said that Trump's absence shows that, and I'm quoting here, he did it. Trump's lawyer said that the case was outrageous. On Monday, Trump's lawyer, Joe DeCapena, accused Carroll of wanting to derail Trump's 2024 White House run.
Amid the trial, Trump accused Carroll of making up the story to drive sales of her memoir. Further, Trump denied raping Carroll in a video deposition played for the jury on the 3rd of May. In the video, Trump said that it was the most ridiculous, disgusting story and added that it was just made up.
With the closing arguments out of the way, the jury is scheduled to start deliberating beginning Tuesday. The narrative given by Trump and his lawyers, it's simple, that Eugene Carroll is a liar. Now it is up to the jury whether they believe Carroll or Trump. And for more on this, we were also earlier joined by our correspondent Susan Tehrani from New York, who explains what happens now after closing arguments or what's next in this trial. Listen in.
The judge is expected to read the instructions of the law for the jury on Tuesday morning, and deliberations are expected to start immediately afterwards. At the start of the trial, the judge told the 9 jurors that the central claim in this case pertained to battery. He said in a civil case, battery can result from even the slightest unlawful touching of another person. The juror will then be asked whether or not Carroll was successful in bringing her case against Donald Trump in the battery case, and if the jury does decide that Donald Trump committed battery, then they will be asked to what extent. But the trial also involves a claim by Carroll regarding defamation on the part of Trump. Once again, they will be asked whether or not Carroll was successful in bringing her claims forward and whether or not Trump's intentions were malicious.
And Susan also reported on what is at stake in this trial.
If the jury decides that Carroll was able to prove her case against Donald Trump for battery and defamation, then they can award compensation and punitive damage. The amount will be up to the jury to decide. But there is no possibility that because of this trial, the former president will go to jail. And because it was a civil case and not a criminal case, he also didn't have to appear in court in person.